family, it's that time again. Satideh Mawnin Runnings is back this Saturday, September 13th at 10 a.m. on Voices with Lady D on YouTube, where culture meets conversation. This week, we're going deep into the things we can't forget, the nickname we can't kill, from Fatty to One Eye. Tell me, do them names follow you for life? Back in the days, lunch pan, corned beef and rice, in a tin pan versus to the fast food hustle. Who miss it? And the big one, big things we got as children. How them could have lick you and say, hush your mouth at the same time. It's laughter, memories, and real talk. And we want to hear from you. So set your reminder, Satideh Mawnin Runnings, September 13th, 10 a.m. only on at Voices with Lady D on YouTube. Miss say, come make we reason, laugh, and run the vibe.